Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to add those tiny little numbers either above or below your text in Google Sheets, you've probably realized it's not as straightforward as you might hope. Maybe you're a student working on chemical formulas, or you just want to make your spreadsheet look a bit more polished. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add both superscript and subscript characters to your Google Sheets, making your work more professional and easier to read. Now let's dive right in. First off, it's important to know that there isn't a built-in button for superscript or subscript in Google Sheets, unlike what you might find in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. But don't worry, there's a handy workaround using a function called Unicode, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. The core idea here is that every character, including those small superscript and subscript numbers, has a unique code in something called Unicode. Google Sheets lets you use the Unicode function to type in these codes, and it'll magically turn them into the special characters you need. Think of it like having a secret codebook for unusual symbols. For example, let's say you want to type a superscript 2, which is often used for squared terms in math. You'd enter the formula equals Unishar 178 into a cell. Just type equals Unicode open parentheses 178 close parentheses, and when you hit enter, you'll see that cute little 2 appear right in your sheet. This works the same way for other numbers. For superscript 1, it's 185, for 3, it's 179, and for 0, use 8304. Subscript works similarly, but you use different codes. For example, a subscript 2, which you often see in chemical formulas like H2O or CO2, uses the code 8322. To insert that, you'd write equals Unishar 8322. Simple as that. It's all about knowing which code matches the character you're looking for. Now let's combine these special characters with regular letters or numbers. Maybe you're entering the chemical formula for water. Instead of just typing H2O, you want that 2 to drop down and look neat. Start with your normal text in quotes, so you write H, then add an ampersand, and to stitch your special character in, and paste that Unicode function right afterwards. So the full formula would be equals H in Unishar 8322 and O. When you hit enter, boom, you've got H2O with the 2 right where it belongs. This same approach works for superscripts. For instance, if you want to show squared, you'd type equals X in Unishar 178. The ampersand is like a glue that sticks your regular text and your superscript together in one cell. And if you want to get really fancy, you can even mix and match these in longer formulas. Just keep combining text in quotes and Unicode codes with ampersands. Take your time here, don't worry if it doesn't look right at first. Double check your parentheses and ampersands. Sometimes the trickiest part is just remembering to start your formula with the equals sign. One thing to note, these special characters might not show up perfectly on every device or font, but in most cases they'll display just fine in Google Sheets and when you share your file with others. Alright, now you know how to add both superscript and subscript characters just using easy formulas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more Google Sheets tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.